Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon, all. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to share my topic. My name is Purba Das. I'm coming from Society. Now, I want to share my one incident in my school life. So, in the year of 2023, I read in class 12. So, our school name was Radhapur High School. It was situated in Komalpur, so of Howrah district. Yes, um, I and my one friend used to go to the school, and মানে যেহেতু পার ডে মানে যেহেতু ওখানে কেউ সেরকম অ্যাজ ওখানে কেউ সেরকম চেনা ছিল না, as everybody was unknown to me, uh, so we could not talk to anyone. Uh, but it was 1 year left, but also we did not know anyone. So we are feeling lonely, but we also try to talk to other person, but they are not মানে, cooperating, and also they are not too much friendly. So uh, after that, at about when our পরীক্ষার সময় at the time of exam, my ওই মানে একটা বন্ধু হয়েছিল, I make a friend, his name was Akash Samonto. So he is too much friendly with us, and we also মানে আমরাও তার সাথে yes. Yes. Some months later, he came to me and told me that my one brother, elder brother, like you, and told me. So I, huh? Elder brother. So I was surprised, and also I tell to him that, so what can I do? So he said, মানে নো মানে কথা বলার জন্য he's forced me to talk with him, but I cannot interested to him, and I মানে আমি তাকে দেখিও নি, and also I did not see him. So after some days later, he came into our school. Yes, he is a local boy. So in our মানে আমাদের স্কুলের অনুষ্ঠানের সময়, at the time of our school festival program, he came to our school. At the time, I was perform in a মানে নাটক, in a drama, in a play. So at that time, I was got ready for the drama. So he মানে ভেতরে ঢুকে এসেছিল, he just entered in our changing room, and there was lots of girls in there. So our also one teacher was present there. So she told to no, madam, she told to him that, why you came here. So he মানে হঠাৎ করেই he suddenly uh, told my name, replied, and told my name, that I want to meet with Purva. So that's why I came in this room. So I was confused, and I'm too much afraid, and মানে তারা যখন yes, I'm feeling nervous, so I মানে চলে গেলাম, রুম থেকে বেরিয়ে গেলাম. I way out from that room. After that, I cannot see him, the boy again. Uh, After our play, মানে, when our program is end, he again came to me, and at that day I মানে ভালোভাবে তাকে দেখেছিলাম। I saw him properly. So he told me that I'm really loves you. So you okay? No. And also he said that give me your number and yes, contact number. And after that, we will start our conversation. So I'm not. I say him that I'm not interested, but he মানে আমাকে জোর করছিল. He specialized me, and after that, our one teacher who is known to me, so he came and scrolled him and I also said to my teacher that he disturbed me and I'm not interested, but he is uh, pressurizing me. So our teachers called her and him. After that, he মানে স্কুল থেকে বেরিয়ে গেল, went away from our school, and I came back in my home. But I'm too much nervous for that reason, so I cannot tell to my mother. After some days after, I মানে প্রায়ই দেখতাম যে স্কুলের বাইরে দাঁড়িয়ে আছে. I used to see that he was standing in our outside of the school, but I ignored him. But one day, some of my friends came to me and tell me that uh, she really loves you. না হলে he really loves you. আহ, না মানে তাহলে যদি ভালোই না বাসতো তাহলে বাইরে এরকম ওয়েট করবে কেন? If hmm, love you, so why he waiting for you? So I am little bit of nervous, and they are pressurizing me for accept the proposal, but I did not like him. Uh, After some months, I all every day I saw him. So in my মানে কি বলবো, আমার মনেও আস্তে আস্তে I also felt some sympathy. Yes, yes, soft corner. After some days later, I told to my friend that uh, give him my number and give him my number and মানে কল কর let's yes, let's talk. So in that day, uh, he called me at about 7:30 p.m. and constantly we talk about 8:30 p.m. So he said all things like who is your mother, who is her father, mother, but yes, details about him. After that, I also tell him that where I am from. So after that, regularly he no he মানে বাইরে এসে দাঁড়িয়ে থাকতো, used to stand outside, and I also talk to him in our front of our school. So some days later, the day was is my birthday. So my one friend told মানে সেদিন আমি স্কুল যাইনি. That day I did not go to school, and at about 11:30 a.m. my one friend called me and told me that are you in relationship with Sumit? The boy's name is Sumit. So after that, I say no. After that, the boys say that, did you know the boys? না মানে আমি জানতে পেরেছি, I come to know that you মানে দুজনের রিলেশনশিপে আছি. You are in a relationship, but yes, I yes I but I did not agree. Yes, I was surprised and I did not agree. Um, after that, after that, he told me that did you know he already married? So the boy was already married. So I'm surprised and also মানে কি বলবো কিছু বলার ভাষা পাচ্ছিলাম না। I am became sad also. After that, I called to my that friend who gave me the number. So he denied, and I again after that day I went to school and I asked of some my friends that is he married. Some of my friends said yes, he's married. But at that time I am cried too much. I don't know, but I not love him. But he, yes, he মানে আমার বিশ্বাস ভেঙেছিল। Yes, lost my faith, and that's why I cried too much. And after that I came to home. In that day at about 7:30 or 8 p.m. uh, he came to my মানে আমার বাড়ির পাশে, just near my home, and called me and told me that uh, I am married, but trust me, I really loves you. I I really loves you. So at that time I am too much মানে কি বলবো। So and 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 he said just মানে বাড়ি থেকে বেরো। Yes, he requested me to come out from my home, and at that time I'm too much afraid because that day my father came to our home from Puri, and also my paternal uncle, everybody was there because that's my birthday, মানে আমার বার্থডে সেলিব্রেশন হচ্ছিল, the celebration of my birthday. So I'm too much afraid and I cut the phone, and I মানে তারপর আর তাকে কোনোদিন I did not call again. But when I again went to school for our exam, so he came to me, but I ignored him. But he মানে আমার সামনে চলে আসছিল বারবার। Yes, he also trying to talk with me, but I denied. After some months later, when our HS was completed, he again called me with another number and told me that I divorced the girl who I মানে যাকে আমি বিয়ে করেছিলাম, to my wife, and because of I love you, I can't মানে আমি বাঁচবো না, এটা আসলে মিথ্যে কথা। আমি so after that my some friends told me that you should call her wife and told him everything. So I I agree with him because he also মানে তার life spoil her life. Yes, so I called him, I called her wife and tell him everything. uh, but after when I telling, after that she also tell me some things that I never মানে আমি মানে আশা করিনি। Yes, I did not accept. That is, he tell me that she tell me that he also beat me. I am a pregnant lady of 7 months. So I'm just surprised. I মানে কিছু বলার মতো ছিল না আর। After that her মানে ওই মেয়েটার মা, the mother of his woman, uh, try to talk with me with in phone, and I talk with yes, I talk to him, and she tell me that মানে আমি ওকে বলে ভালো করেছি ব্যাপারটা। Yes, yes, after that the guy one day I saw him after মানে তারপর থেকে আমার আর তার সাথে কোনোদিন কথা হয়নি। I do not talk with the boy. uh, then some months later I just see in him, and Yes. uh, in our area, so there was he, also his wife, and also his a small daughter with him. So that's that's good. And when I went to my school to মানে আমার ওই কি বলে ওটাকে, ইয়েস, ইয়েস, মানে নিতে, to collect my progressive report. So at that time, one girl came to me and told me that he also did this to me, with me. Or one girl says, and at that time, that's all about. He was the main culprit, yes, and also her friends. So that's all. Thank you. Thank you.